Hello students, parallel forces. Forces acting on the body at a time, on the same time, along the parallel lines. On the same time, forces acting along the parallel lines is called parallel forces. If the forces are in the same direction, then they are called like parallel forces. If their direction is opposite to each other, they are called unlike parallel forces. Like parallel forces, same direction along parallel lines, opposite direction along parallel lines is unlike parallel forces. Next definition, torque, also called this is also called couple or coupling force or moment of force. Torque said as couple, also said as coupling force. One more is a moment of force. Product of force and distance. Force and distance perpendicular to it is torque. Once again, torque definition, product of force and distance. So, tau equal to capital F into D. Symbol is showing for perpendicularity. Look at tau equal to FD. There is a small symbol that is perpendicularity, perpendicular distance. It arises to two equal, unlike and parallel forces. Torque arises due to two equal, unlike and parallel forces. It rotates the object in circular orbit. For example, car steering. We will be applying two forces from two hands. Motion of the steering is circular motion. When circular motion arises, the word torque arises. Centripetal force. Next definition is centripetal force. Till now we have studied parallel forces, like parallel forces, unlike parallel forces, torque tau. Now centripetal force. This also depends on the circular motion. This is also the force on an object to keep it in circular path. Centripetal force is the force on an object to keep it in circular path. It is acting towards the center of circular path. Center of circular path. Formula for this you have to keep in mind is mv square by r. Small mv square by r. Mass of object, velocity or radius of circular path. F equal to mv square by r. Whenever you notice the name centripetal force, immediately F equal to mv square by r should be in your mind. Next, buoyant force. Upthrust force or thrust. Buoyant force, also said as upthrust force or only thrust. Upward force exerted by liquid when an object is partially or fully immersed, dipped in it. Look once again. Buoyant force, upward force exerted by liquid when object is partially or fully immersed in it. Immersed, when you dip an object over a liquid, level of the liquid comes up. Imagine. So, this force, buoyant force, F equal to rho g h. Should be looking always worksheet. Don't forget to look at the worksheet while listening. Rho g h. Rho, density of liquid. G, we know acceleration due to gravity. Next, h is height of liquid. Height before dipping the object. Rho g h. Next, buoyancy is the property of liquid to apply the buoyant force. Next, equilibrium position. State of rest or uniform motion of object is called equilibrium position. Next, statics. Study of force on an object at equilibrium position. As we know, mechanics, study of motion with force. Dynamics, study of force that causes the motion. Now answer. Forces acting along the parallel lines is super parallel forces. Torque tau equal to, wonderful, FD perpendicular. Centripetal force F equal to, wonderful, mv square by r. Buoyant force F equal to, great, rho g h. Here rho is, wow, density of liquid. Now fill the worksheet and enjoy the page. Now pause the video, start to fill the blanks as it is. Best of luck.